Starting a limited liability company in Texas is like setting up a new adventure in the business world. For those dreaming big, using an online service to form an LLC makes the journey smoother. Now, when it comes to picking the best guide for this adventure, the choices are plenty. It's all about what you really need. Do you just need help with paperwork, or are you looking for someone to stand as your official business contact too? Maybe you want someone to remind you about important deadlines throughout the year. Now, in this video, we will dive deeper into choosing the best LLC service in Texas. And by the way, for most of the companies that I'm going to mention in this video, I'm going to leave my affiliate link for their website down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's begin. In the bustling world of LLC formation services, Northwest Registered Agents shines brightly, leading the pack with its clear, honest way of doing things and a strong focus on keeping your information safe. While other companies might try to hook you with low prices at first, only to surprise you later with extra charges and pushy sales tactics, Northwest keeps it real. They lay out everything upfront for just $100 plus whatever the state charges, and they even drop this down to $39 with a special deal. You're all set with everything your LLC needs to start on the right foot. This deal isn't just about paperwork. It includes protecting your private details with free address privacy and giving you a year of registered agent service without extra costs, which then continues at a fair price. What really sets Northwest apart is how they handle your private info. In a world where your address can end up anywhere, they step in to use their address on your paperwork, keeping your personal one away from the public eye. It's a big deal for anyone who values their privacy, and navigating their website, it's a breeze. They've made sure it's user-friendly, filling out with clear information and avoiding any complicated jargon that might make your head spin. But if you do find yourself needing a bit of guidance, their customer support is nothing short of fantastic. Real experts who know the ins and outs of LLC formation and are just a call away, ready to help without pushing you to buy more than you need. In short, Northwest isn't just about getting your business off the ground. It's about doing it in a way that's straightforward, secure, and supportive from start to finish. MyCompanyWorks is like finding a hidden gem in the vast sea of LLC formation services. Starting at a modest $59 plus what the state needs, they pack their basic LLC package with lots of freebies that others usually charge you extra for. Imagine getting a bunch of useful documents and services without having to dig deeper into your pocket. Sounds like a sweet deal, right? And just like a good friend who sticks around, they throw in a year of registered agent service for free, which sticks with you for just $99 a year after that. They're quick on their feet too, promising fast service that gets your business up and running in no time. Their website is a breath of fresh air, easy to walk through with explanations that don't make you scratch your head. They're all about giving you great value without pushing you into buying more than you need. And for those who think ahead, crafting a bit more handholding as their business grows, MyCompanyWorks steps up with their premium compliance tool subscription. It's like having a knowledgeable buddy by your side, ready to help with the savvy lifting as your business journey unfolds. ZenBusiness is like the friendly tech whiz in the world of LLC services. They welcome you with open arms by offering their basic LLC package for free, asking you only to cover the state fees. What's even cooler is that they give you a year of registered agent service on the house, which later switches to $199 annually. Their standout feature, a chat-based setup that feels more like a casual chat than a boring form fill-up. This approach, combined with a user-friendly dashboard, makes managing your business's legal needs as simple as checking your social media. Though their customer service might not be top of the class, they more than make up for it with an abundance of add-ons and tools designed to make life easier for new entrepreneurs. ZenBusiness is perfect for the modern business owner who wants to keep things straightforward and digital, offering a blend of technology and personalized support that simplifies the entire process. Busy is your budget-friendly buddy in the business setup arena. They roll out the red carpet with their silver package, letting you kickstart your LLC for just the cost of state fees. Yes, that means their service fee is a whopping $0. Their website is a sanctuary of simplicity, guiding you through the setup process without the headaches of complex legal jargon. Watch out for the upsell attempts and a somewhat maze-like refund policy though. If your business needs specific licenses to operate, Busy's got you covered with their business licenses research service for a reasonable $99. This is a game changer for anyone who's ever felt lost in the administrative confusion of permits and licenses. For the entrepreneur who's counting pennies but still wants a straightforward path to filling their LLC documents, Busy is a shining beacon offering the essentials without any strings attached. Rocket Lawyer feels like a big brother in the legal world, especially if you're already using their services. They mix LLC formation with a buffet of legal supports, making it a one-stop shop for broader legal needs. For an investment of $99 plus state fees, or even for free if you're part of their club, you gain access to a universe of legal documents, advice, and more. Membership also means discounted registered agent services, sweetening the deal for those already subscribed. Their platform is designed to be as easy as pie, making navigating legal documents and advice as simple as browsing a bookstore. Rocket Lawyer may not be the go-to choice for everyone just looking to start an LLC, but for those in search of a comprehensive legal toolkit alongside their business formation, it's like having a legal guardian angel. Whether it's drafting contracts or getting legal counsel, Rocket Lawyer wraps complex legal services in a user-friendly package, perfect for the entrepreneur who wants more than just the basics. In conclusion, when it comes to setting up an LLC in Texas, Northwest Registered Agent leads the pack. They've got this cool feature where you can use their address on all your official papers, not just in Texas, but across all states. This means your personal address stays private, which is something no other service offers for free. Plus, their way of doing things is straightforward, and they're known for having top-notch customer support. For those who are watching their budget closely, Busy's no-cost option is perfect for getting your LLC started without any frills. If you need a bit more like help filing a DBA, MyCompanyWorks is the way to go. And for folks who want everything under one roof from forming an LLC to getting legal advice, Rocket Lawyer is your best bet. And don't forget that for most of the companies that I have listed in this video, I'm going to leave my affiliate link for their website down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.